AGZA capture.
The American Green Zone Alliance introduces Ground Pros, Inc., with facilities in Itasca and Naperville, Illinois. Founded in 1992, Ground Pros is an award-winning, family-owned and operated contractor specializing in commercial landscape maintenance, installation, and snow and ice management services. Ground Pros' mission is to create raving fans by embodying their core values: people, communication, teamwork, hustle, and ownership. Ground Pros recently achieved AGZA Service Pro Company certification and has launched a low-impact landscape maintenance department serving Chicagoland clients seeking less polluting, quieter commercial grounds maintenance services powered by battery electric equipment.